your hands together for Susmita Sen.
Have a few words from the beautiful, a dream of 12 years which is fulfilling today. There was a time I khanjakhibam lay chahi Sangai festival horok madamda Susmita Sen gi makut sammaga in a traditional dress na nung show thok pangagadina. I'm fulfilling after 11 years, and this is my biggest dream till now, and I hope I'll achieve it more with the blessing of you all. Thank you so much. Please pick something.
Kurumzari, Manipur. I cannot thank you all enough for the love, the appreciation, the belonging that you bring to my life and to my heart. Thank you so much for this honor to be a part of the closing ceremony of the Sangai festival. To the world that is watching, this man, this beautiful man that I love, a huge round of applause for Robert. His love for this homeland, his love for Manipur, his love for me, he's married all of that together tonight on this very stage. And I thank you for this privilege and this honor to be a part of being your showstopper. You're divine. Huge round of applause. As I was saying to the people of the world, if you don't know the comfort of a fanek and the loving embrace of a Rani, fee. And if you haven't come to Manipur, you haven't lived, ladies and gentlemen. I love you so much. Thank you for this. May this love, yes, keep growing. Bahut shukriya, dil se. I love you guys.
Thank you, and can we have a picture?
Oh my God, okay. Let's do a group, shall we?
Thank you, media channels, the people behind this entire show, the light team, the entire team of this arrangement. Thank you, models. You all are looking beautiful. Thank you, Dakokul. Thank you, Tesusita.
Really wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, very
Oh, yeah.
Ready? Ma'am, please.
Don't come up.
Yeah, don't come up.
Come up. Don't come up. No, 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 please, please.
Thank you. And with that, we just walk back.
Gift from the department. A presentation from the department. Security can not away. We'll go.
Thank you.
Please, please, please.